How to fix video unavailable. This content isn't available on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get your videos playing again. First, open your web browser and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Next, click Third-Party Cookies. Then select See All Site Data and Permissions. Use the search bar to search for YouTube. Click the trash icon next to YouTube to remove its stored site data. This clears cached data and cookies that may be causing playback issues. Once that's done, reopen YouTube and check if the video plays. If the problem continues, the next step is to check your browser extensions. Open your browser's extensions page and temporarily disable your extensions one at a time. After disabling each extension, return to YouTube and try playing the video again. Some extensions, such as ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with YouTube playback. If you're still seeing the same error, try opening the video in a different web browser. If the video works in another browser, the issue is likely with your original browser settings or extensions rather than YouTube itself. If none of these methods work, try refreshing the page, signing out and back into your YouTube account, or restarting your browser and computer before trying again. And that's it. That's how you can fix the video unavailable, this content isn't available error on YouTube. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.